We started using Oxalato about 5 years ago. That was part of our process in looking for a practice management system and electronic medical record, and we found Oxalato. We decided to put that into place right away before we started with our electronic medical record, and started using it as a clinical messaging system, and it was wonderful.
There's enormous business problems in healthcare. I think everybody understands that the operational aspects of healthcare are very ugly right now, and there's a lot of administrative waste in healthcare. There's a lot of friction, in particular, between hospitals and physicians. So both physicians and hospitals are looking how to better align in ways that they're able to, but in ways that respect their autonomy. So one of the things that's great about clinical messaging and where the space that Oxalato is in is it respects that need for autonomy. It doesn't force everybody to become an integrated delivery system.
The Elysium system allows the doctor's office to send authorization requests to the IPA, Physicians Medical Group, for approval of specific tests and for approval of referral to specialists from the HMO plans, insurance companies that we administer. This used to take up to a week for the paper product to go from the office to us, be approved from the insurance company, and back to the patient before they could receive the care they need. Now we can have all of this process done within 4 hours. The patient can be referred and can go get the test or see the specialist with no delay in their care.
One of the benefits that Elysium brings to our community is that there's easy access to data. Previously, when we had data stored in our medical records office or within our lab systems, that wasn't easily available for physicians in the community. With Elysium, now we're able to give that information out to the different entities within the community fast, efficiently, and more important for them, at the time that they need